welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're just going to be talking about how to take care of your skin, how to make that skin pop. So but before we start, I will be sending my hugs, my love to one of my subscribers, Nkechi, from Lagos. Thanks for your review, thanks for your comments, your love. I really appreciate. And any of my subscribers, you're welcome to drop your review, your constructive feedbacks. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow, it helps me move. So yeah, I will really appreciate you drop it in the comment section. Okay, so back to our video for today. So I will be sharing with you some of the things I combine to, help me stay fit and also glow my skin. So I always say that your food is your medicine. Whatever you take into your body, it shows out of your body. So yeah, we all know that whatever we eat, it's really helpful to how we live, right? So yeah, I will make sure that I leave all the ingredients that I use for this recipe in the description box, so you can grab it and to make sure you use it. Okay, so the next video you'll be seeing is my voiceover and me talking about the carrot juice. Okay, have a wonderful day, stay blessed, and don't forget to stay healthy as well. You take care for yourself, and appreciate you. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Okay, so we are done peeling out the carrot peels. For this recipe we're using ginger, oranges, and turmeric powder. So if you like, you can also use turmeric roots for this recipe. It's very okay for antioxidant features. So yeah, whatever you find helpful, that's okay. So this recipe is just to cleanse your body and as well keep that skin popping, right? So you want to cut your oranges like this. You're taking off the peels because you don't want to have the peels in the juicer. It's gonna make it so bitter, right? So we're taking out the orange back, and then we have it peeled out like this, and gonna put everything in the blender like that except for the turmeric powder. So the turmeric powder, you'll be adding it after you have choosed out all these other ingredients. Then you can put like a teaspoon into your juice and mix it up, and voila, that's it, you drink. Yeah, so if you have not seen my video where I used carrot chaff to make fufu, you should be watching out for that video. It's in one of my videos. I probably will drop the link in this video so you can go watch it. You can actually use carrot chaff to make your fufu. It's very delicious. Oh my god, that's something you should be eating once in a while. So yes, we are done making our carrot juice. This is the chaff I was telling you about. You just use it to make your fufu, and you can also throw it away. But for this particular one, I won't be using it because I added oranges and all that stuff, so I won't use it for my carrot fufu. I will just throw it away. So here we are mixing our turmeric into the whole mix and giving it a turn like this, and we're good to go. So we can drink it. I store mine in the fridge and it lasts me just 2 to 3 days because I take it like morning and evening, and it detox me a little bit, but that's okay. And I just drink it for 2 days and